Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegan meatballs. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll typically start with a base of hearty vegetables or legumes, like 1 cup of cooked lentils or finely chopped mushrooms. For binding, consider using about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs or a flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. Don't forget your favorite herbs and spices for that delicious flavor. Now, let's get hands-on with the preparation. In a large bowl, combine all your prepared ingredients thoroughly. You want a mixture that's moist but not sticky. Next, take small portions, about 1.5 tablespoons each, and roll them gently between your palms to form uniform meatballs. Aim for a consistent size, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter, so they cook evenly. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Once your meatballs are formed, it's time to cook them. For a healthier approach, you can bake them in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. Alternatively, pan-frying in a skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes will give them a lovely crispy exterior. Both methods yield delicious results, so choose what suits your preference. Finally, let's talk about how to enjoy your delicious homemade vegan meatballs. A classic pairing is serving them over a bed of spaghetti with a rich marinara sauce, perhaps garnished with fresh basil. They also make fantastic additions to sub sandwiches, nestled in a warm bun with some melted vegan cheese and peppers. Or, for a party, serve them as appetizers with a flavorful dipping sauce. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.